the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County, southeastern St. Croix County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near River Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Baldwin around 4:40 p.m. Woodville around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Martel, Wilson, and Hersey. This includes Interstate 94 in Wisconsin between mile markers 15 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.